I am in the jar. In the jar.
I'm on the book.
He is on the book. On means touching the surface.
Peekaboo!
I'm under. Jump over. We're beside each other. Ball is between us. Ball is between us. Boo!
Behind you!
Now you are behind. Teacher stands in front of class.
Kite is above us. Kite is above us.
Ants are below us. Look down there. Go into the box. Ta-da! Out of box! Crawl through! You are doing great from side to side.
Run around the circle.
Walk across the bridge. We can go from side to side.
Yeah!
Come toward me. You are moving closer with every step.
Ew!
Away from trash. Let us keep moving farther away.
Climbed up.
Woo!
Up.
Whee! Down!
Down.
Thanks for watching. Click like with Heya.
And subscribe with Dechu for more tips.